Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vijay. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel that is TechFly Vijay. Today I am coming with a job position that is for fresher and the company is for Amazon. Moving toward the job position, this is my YouTube page. If you are new to my page, please subscribe to my channel. I am posting the job for the fresher mostly and experience also. Okay, moving toward the job opening today. The company is Amazon. The job profile is Operation Support Expert GSRC, and the work location is Bangalore. It's completely work from office. And there is no any chance for work from home because in the job description, no anywhere it's mentioned work from home. And this job profile come under the database administration team. So basically, you have to handle the data, or you have to work on the data. So these things you have to read from your end. Moving to the basic qualification. As I told you this position is completely for the fresher. If you are experienced also, then it's fine. So key job responsibility, you have to read these things from your sides. There is nothing to explain in this. Coming to the basic qualification, graduation in any discipline is required for this position. They haven't mentioned any kind of specialization, just like a BTech, B or BC or something. So any kind of graduation is okay. There is no any percentage criteria, and year pass out is mentioned here, so any graduation can apply. And proficient with ms excel. So if you are good with the ms excel, mysql and data warehouse, then it's good for you. You can apply for this position. If you are not aware about that, VBA is a Visual Basic Application. It's part of the Excel part. It's come under the Excel. In the VBA, what we do the automation part. Suppose we are doing the same kind of work or the same kind of reporting manually. So for that, we can replace that things by the VBA. It's a Visual Basic Application for the automation part. And the SQL, as you all know that SQL, and the data warehouse, these things. These are the things basic requirement. If you have good with Excel and MySQL and the data warehouse, you can apply for this position. Coming to the preferred qualification, proficient in verbal and written communication in English. These things are common in any of the job position in Amazon. Good working knowledge of MS Office, MS Outlook, MS Excel. Here it's mentioned MS Excel proficiency is advantage. If you know the Excel, it's the advantage for you. A strong attention to the detail, must be comfortable to working in a multiple stakeholder in a fast-paced environment. So these are the things. So basically, you have to focus on these things. You have to practice more and more practice on the Excel part and VBA. VBA is macros. Sometimes it's still as VB and sometimes it's called as macros and the SQL and the data warehouse. So that's all about today. If you are interested in this position, and if you are a fresher looking for job or job change, please apply for this position. I'm sharing the QR code for this position. You can go and scan this code and apply. Thank you for today. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any kind of questions or any confusion, please do comment. My number is given in my profile, YouTube profile. You can also reach out to me on WhatsApp or call also. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.